Please don't.
Tell me why
I don't have to hold.
I'm always like,
Let me ugly there. Too nasty. Mr.
no, what's that, David?
John, say hi to the camera. John, say hi to the camera. John, you know this is going on YouTube. Uh-huh. It's going on YouTube.
Ew.
I'm so fucking weird. It's nasty. The Pepsi not nasty. I'm not touching that because I do not want me some diabetes. And I do not want to get poisoned. Cause I'm still eating my fucking food. Gone. I'm just kidding. This beat. Bill, I don't even want. Bro, say hi. Alright, so.
I saw you looked at me. I was like,
No, it's the camera. Sorry about her. She needs to
dance.
I wish y'all could see me of how tall I am. I want the best guards that I was like blue. But I don't know why I'm so short.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we'll follow that song.
Just get up.
It's nasty. Never taste some of this, some other drink. After you drink Pepsi, that is nasty. Why did I freaking do that?
I was gonna take your hand.
Baptize me, baby.
It's nasty.
I need Jesus.
You need Jesus. You know. Are you safe?
So did y'all answer about the question? Go on my channel and see the video called Made Me, and tell me if you want me to make you. Comment it in the Made Me thing. Why is this just